Welcome to Close Up Radio, where our hosts, Doug Llewelyn and Jim Masters, bring you the amazing stories of people who answered the call to unlock their potential and taken control of their own success with authenticity, creativity, persistence, and resilience. Close Up Radio special guests share their knowledge and wisdom so you, the listener, can live the most empowered life possible. Close Up Radio. And now, here's today's host, Doug Llewelyn.
Well, hello, everybody. Welcome back to Close Up Talk Radio. Nice to have you with us today. We are again going to dip into the world of coaching. You know, we talk to various coaches on these broadcasts, and we hear back from people who say they love hearing about coaches and from coaches and how coaches work and what makes them different from others. It's become a really big profession. 20 years ago, roughly 20, maybe 25 at the most, nobody had coaches they could consult. It was almost impossible to find somebody that you could go and consult with and talk to and get feedback from on what you could do to improve whatever area of your life you were trying to improve, whether it was your business life, your marital life, your relationships, how you handle your kids and work with your kids, whatever it was difficult. Nowadays, it's a whole different ballgame. There are coaches out there who can help you in almost every aspect of your life, from business coaching, even grief coaching. If you've lost somebody near and dear to you and you're just totally distraught, there are people who can help you get through that grief. So it's a real pleasure for us to welcome today a lady that I think you're going to find really amazing. She is a transformational coach, and she has a totally amazing background. Her name is Agnes Chau. She's the owner of a coaching business and a not-for-profit public charity, both that have common goals, and that is transformation, empowerment, and living without limiting beliefs. Her background before getting into the coaching field, like so many coaches, coaches have had interesting backgrounds before. Our guest had an amazing career in the aerospace engineering field. And I'm going to get her to explain that because that field, you learn a lot, and it develops many different aspects of the business world and developmental issues in yourself. It's certainly going to be amazing to hear about that. But anyway, Agnes has a recognizable passion for helping people be their best, and it's manifested in her thinking and work product. She really most enjoys helping people tap into what is known as their divine intelligence in order to live their best life and create happiness from within. Again, she's the president and the founder of the Empowered Heart, but she's also a certified instructor for the Gracie Jiu-Jitsu Women Empowered program. That's another thing to learn about. She functions as a private coach, by the way, for leaders, coaches, entrepreneurs, healers, and influencers, enabling them, helping them to upgrade their lives professionally and personally. And in her nonprofit work, she provides people with strategies, tools, and techniques for physical, mental, and emotional well-being. And she also helps women with tools for self-defense and growth. In all these efforts, she aims to transform emotional intelligence from fear-based to love-based endeavors. Now, that's a little bit about what our coach does. She is truly an amazing lady, and it's a delight to welcome her. She